Perhaps someone has promised to donate $1,000 to your organization this year, but they're not quite sure when they'll make that donation, or if they will make several smaller donations that total $1,000 instead. Or perhaps you need to manage multiple monthly donors. To manage these promises in your Sumac database, use the Pledges add-on. In your Sumac console, expand Fundraising and choose Pledges. Click New to open a new pledge record. Select the contact who is making this pledge. The commitment date for this pledge is set to today's date, but you can change it by clicking this calendar button or by typing in a different date. Choose the pledge status. Frequency months defines the number of months between payments. 0 means a one-time payment, or that you do not know how often the donor will be making donations towards this pledge. However, if this is for a monthly donor, enter 1, which tells Sumac that one donation will be made toward this pledge every month. Enter the day of the month that this donor plans to make donations toward this pledge. For example, if Lauren Bailey plans to donate on the 1st of every month, we would enter a 1 here. Enter the first payment date for this pledge. For this example, we'll specify that the first payment date was March 1st, 2014. You can also specify the last payment date for this pledge. For example, perhaps Lauren Bailey has promised to donate once a month for 1 year. In that case, the last payment date would be February 1st, 2015. In this database, the last payment date field is mandatory. However, if your donors make open-ended pledges, this field can be made optional by your Sumac administrator. Specify the recurring payment amount for this pledge. Perhaps Lauren Bailey has pledged $50 a month. In that case, enter $50 here. Alternatively, if this pledge is not for a monthly donor, but instead is tracking the total amount that the donor plans to give, choose Irregular Payments and enter the total amount that will be donated. But for this example, we'll say that Lauren is donating $50 a month. Information in the pledge record is used to automatically create donation records as the monthly donations occur. So you must define donation record details and payment details so that Sumac can create the donation and payment records for you. Choose a donation type that should be used for donations from this pledge. Many Sumac users tend to use a donation type like pledge or monthly pledge for this reason. You could also enter applicable event, campaign, fund, or account details. Click the Payment button to enter payment details for this pledge. Choose the appropriate payment type. If this is a monthly donor, and they've requested that you take these payments off their credit card each month, you can enter their credit card details here. Click OK to save the payment details. Then click OK to save the pledge. Sumac asks you to confirm the number of donations and total amount for this pledge. Click Yes, and Sumac saves the pledge into your database. Check out more training videos to learn more about managing pledges using Sumac.